First of all, I would like to thank the members of this house, all those who have spoken, and all those who have even moved or out motion for the interest that they have evinced for the cause of health. I agree entirely with so many friends who have said that far too little time is given to this house for discussion and exchange of views on a subject which is so vital to the progress of the country. It is undoubtedly a nation building activity to cater to the health of the people committed to the charge of any government, and if we are not able to give enough attention to these problems, and if we are not able to give enough money to improve the standards of health, I am of course convinced that we shall not really make the progress that we want this country to make. I am, however, here heartened by the fact that countryside is health conscious. Anywhere that I go, the two things that the villager demands are medical aid and relief and schools for his children, and I believe that anything the people, the masses demand will certainly come about. Paragraph change. I would like to comment on the points that have been raised by the various speakers. First of all, everybody has welcomed the malaria control program. I am very happy to be able to say that at the end of the first 5-year plan, we shall have covered 125 millions of the population from the risk of malaria, and I sincerely hope that by the end of the second 5-year plan, practically the entire country will have been covered, and that certainly means a tremendous asset to the nation, because those poor people who used to be laid out for 4 months in a year with malaria will now be able to help in the production which is so vitally needed for progress. Then a comment has been made on the community projects. I think I ought to say that I have from the very beginning, ever since I was charged with serving the Ministry of Health, laid the greatest emphasis on medical aid and relief to the rural population in particular, because they have been sadly neglected up to date. I think it is impossible for a long time to come to give all hospital facilities for people. ठीक है, ओके।